Great news, everyone. I just bought my first bandsaw. It's a second-hand 14-inch bandsaw. What is a 14-inch bandsaw, I hear you say, and I have no idea. I think 14 inches is about 350 millimeters, and I think it's the diameter of this wheel. So let's have a look. So bandsaw has two wheels, one on the top, one on the bottom, and we'll discover the diameter of that wheel is just over 350 millimeters. Presumably that's 14 inches, and that's what's referred to. Which means that the throat is almost the same. It's going to be a little bit less. So that's important. And the other thing that's important is how much capacity we've got underneath the saw. Anyway, it's a good little buy. It's come with this little mitre. It's come with this fence, which isn't going to win any design awards, but there you have it. So good stuff. It has this 1.5 horsepower motor, which in other words is just over 1.1 kilowatt motor. It has a knob here, so you can adjust the height of this guide. It has a knob at the top to adjust the belt tension. There's another knob around the back here, which you can't see on camera, to adjust the blade, so that just where the blade sits on the wheels. There are 6 bearings, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. There's a little handle down here to adjust the belt tension for the motor. This table is on a trunnion, which can be adjusted. Pretty much everything can be adjusted, and I've discovered the hard way that I pretty much had to adjust everything there is on this bandsaw to get it to cut true. And a lot of the adjustments are really quite fiddly and very time consuming. But I'm not complaining. It's great little bandsaw, and probably really my only gripe is that I don't know if it's just me learning or whether it's just this type of bandsaw, but to change over the blades and then readjust everything so that it's properly tracking, I found it's quite fiddly. It takes quite a bit of time all up. Anyway, I'm really thrilled to have a bandsaw, and so let's make something. So what I made was this yin-yang tea light candle holder with contrasting woods on the yin part and the yang part. So next week I'll post a video explaining how I made that for you. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.